This 3-bedroom, 3-bath condo is located in the beautiful Cherry Grove section of North Myrtle Beach. If you're looking for a home away from home or a great real estate investment, then look no further. The building itself features high-speed elevators, parking garage, beautiful architecture, outstanding amenities, and of course is only steps from the beach. And welcome to Unit 8004, featuring an open floor plan that's handicap friendly. Now it's time to take a look at this fabulous kitchen. Oftentimes you'll find that homes down near the beach are lacking in this department, but you won't be disappointed with this one. Custom granite countertops, plenty of counter space, a breakfast bar, plenty of room for the bar stools, ample cabinets, the latest appliances, ceramic tile. Wow! And just because you're at the beach doesn't mean you have to eat out every night. That's why this spacious dining room is going to be perfect to enjoy a little home cooking. And the family room is the perfect place to relax. Maybe sit back and read a good book, watch some television, or just enjoy the spectacular views. And the master suite is spacious and comfortable. Plenty of room for a king-size bed. But maybe more importantly, you have access through your sliding glass door to go right out on the patio. Maybe just leave it open and let the roar of the waves put you to sleep. And the second and third bedrooms are very spacious and come with their own private bath. And when you're not at the beach, make sure you enjoy all the fantastic amenities that the resort has to offer. The northern part of the Grand Strand offers lots of fun things to do. If you enjoy having a little fun in the sun, then load up the cooler and the beach chairs and head out to the ocean. The beautiful sandy beaches are perfect for taking a leisurely stroll or just lounging in the sun. You can nearly hear the sound of the surf saying, "Come out and play!" This section of the Grand Strand is definitely a favorite for boaters and watercraft enthusiasts. And welcome to a golfer's paradise. The warmer winter weather allows for you to golf all year long. Plus, there's approximately 100 area courses for you to choose from. This area also features casino boats, fabulous musical productions, dinner theaters, and other big stage performances. And of course, there's many other local attractions. And don't forget, the southern section of the Grand Strand offers plenty of fun things to do too, and is only minutes away.